In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the Adobe Acrobat Reader version on Windows 11. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue, ensuring compatibility, or just staying up to date with the latest features, knowing your software version is essential. So let's dive right in and walk through this simple process together. First, make sure that Adobe Acrobat Reader is open on your Windows 11 device. If it's not already running, simply locate its icon on your desktop or within your Start menu and give it a click. Once you have the program open, you'll be looking for what's commonly referred to as the hamburger menu. This icon, which looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of one another, is located in the top left corner of the Adobe Acrobat window. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu that provides a variety of options and settings. From the options available in this menu, you'll want to direct your attention to the one labelled Help. The Help menu is where Adobe stores a lot of useful information about the software, including where to find the version number. Hover your mouse over the Help option and give it a click. Now, with the Help menu open, the next step is to select About Adobe Acrobat. Clicking on this selection will open up a small pop-up window. This is the window that contains all the information you need about your Adobe Acrobat Reader. It's important to note that this pop-up might appear in a different part of your screen if you have multiple monitors or a unique window setup. In this pop-up window, you will see the product name prominently displayed, followed by the version number of your Adobe Acrobat Reader. This number is critical for many reasons. It helps you ensure that you are running the most current version of the software, which is vital for accessing the latest features and patches that Adobe releases. It also aids in troubleshooting or providing specific details to support services if you encounter issues. With that, you have successfully determined the version of Adobe Acrobat Reader you are running on your Windows 11 device. This entire process is quite straightforward, but knowing how to navigate these steps can save you time and potential frustration down the road. Remember, keeping your software updated can help enhance your user experience and maintain optimal security performance. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. If you did, please consider subscribing for more quick and informative guides on using your software effectively. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll continue to explore more tips and tricks to enhance your digital life.